If you like brownies, you are going to love this chocolate gooey butter cake. It's made with the chocolate cake mix and there's cocoa powder in the topping. It's so unbelievably rich and moist, you won't be able to resist it. And the crackly top adds texture. To take it over the top, you can also add chocolate chips or nuts to the bottom layer, but I kept it simple today. First, mix together your chocolate cake mix. I used Betty Crocker. Add 2 cups of powdered sugar, add a stick of melted butter, and 2 eggs. Mix until a dough forms. Pat it into a greased 13 by 9 inch pan, making sure it's evenly covered. Set aside. Now in a bowl, whip 8 ounces of softened cream cheese just for a minute until nice and fluffy. Now add a pound of powdered sugar, and a 1/4 cup of sifted cocoa powder. Mix. Now beat in 2 eggs, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Pour over your crust and tilt the pan to make sure it's evenly covered. Bake at 325 degrees for around 45 minutes or until there's only a slight jiggle in the center. Cool for several hours, then slice and serve. Enjoy.